Today, I thought I'd clean the gutters. They're full of leaves and debris, so it's definitely time to clean them out. I've gathered all the tools I'll need for the job. Now, everything is ready, and we can get started. Here's a look at the back of the house. It's quite high up, so I'll be using a safety harness to stay safe while working. These rubber gloves are perfect for this job. The leaves and debris have been sitting in the gutters for a while, so they're wet and messy. Alright, we're up on the roof now. This roof walkway is a good place to attach my safety harness so I can work more safely. After cleaning the gutters, I noticed a broken roof tile near the eaves, so I'll replace it while I'm up here. Luckily, I had a few spare roof tiles left in storage. It's always a good idea to keep some extras, as heavy snow loads can occasionally crack roof tiles. Finally, I cleaned the storm drain catch basins beneath the downspouts. With that done, the job was finished.